Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from Bad for Cars and Raspberry Pi and computer stuff. Today we're looking at the DJI Care Refresh. So I got this drone around about 6 months ago in September 2023. So today is Pi Day, and we're going to look at how the Care Refresh is good or not or whatever. Well, anyway, at the time of recording, it's Pi Day. So when this probably gets released, it'll probably be Friday or Saturday or whatever day it is, but it won't be Pi Day, probably. But anyway, it is an amazing little drone, 249 grams with the micro SD card included. And the one that they sent me back is, well, it does have the C0 label, if you can see by here. And, well, it is quite a compact little drone that can fit in your pocket. Costs around about £429 with the remote controller and 4K 30 FPS. It is pretty much a decent drone that you can get for under £500. So I think the DJI Care Refresh is worth it, as it offered a relatively cheaper alternative to, let's say, fixing it. Because if you want to fix it, it'll probably cost you around about £100 to £150 for a broken arm because of labour. Oh my gosh, it isn't actually that. It's just the company is just charging too much. And also, it only cost me £55 for the DJI Care Refresh, and it comes with this leaflet thing. And yeah, £39 for the replacement shipping and basically everything included there. So let's get into the unboxing and flight test. This is the DJI Care Refresh replacement of the DJI Mini 3, and today we're going to unbox it. As you can see, DJI logo, picture of the drone, everything by here, has all the logos and stuff like that, and I think I'm going to just unbox it. So first, create a small slit. That was actually quite nice. And then we have the pull tab by here. That was good. And finally, the drone. Oh. And it's in this weird packaging. This is actually supposed to be electrostatic plastic packaging. That should resist about 99% of static and electric shocks that it goes through the transit. And it seems like, it's in mint condition. You see there's no battery currently.
That's because I have the battery here. Okay, so as you can see, the stickers over here. So let's okay. Just peel it off one by one. And I'm gonna pull this tab off. And I can take this off, and this is the f1.7. Put your camera without the thing, whatever it's called. Let's quickly put that aside. And look at the battery. The battery has no packaging outside / what is it? Plastic thing. And well, yeah. It has the same type of pull tab. It's plastic. Just regular plastic, but still very satisfying. And you pull it out and you see the same type of anti-static thing packaging. Pull this out and you see the instruction manual with all the stuff for use. You can see a few languages on there. And the rest of the information. Let's put that away. See if there's anything more in this box. Because technically there should be something. Pull this out. There should be an instruction manual, I think, in here. Oh, nothing. So I guess everything is in the battery. Anyway, let's put that away and look at the battery. Oh, that's quite good. And you see it's just the regular Mini 3 Pro / Mini 3 / Mini 4 Pro battery. That will soon be the Mini 4 battery as well. And it just slides in like this. And when we hear the click, we know that it's in. So open it up, take the prop things off. This way, pull. This way, pull. Oh no! So this is the 120 meter limited C0 label version. So it's because of the EU regulations that don't actually apply in the UK. But it still doesn't because DJI is still universal in Europe. So that's kind of disappointing, to be honest, because normally the DJI Mini 3, yeah, it would not have this sticker, as it can actually fly to 500 meters, but now it's very, very disappointing. It's not very good. Anyway, still, the battery, quick view around it, and this gives 38 minutes of flight time. Quite decent time, to be honest. 38 minutes, and this is what it looks like. And it's the 8-pin, 6-pin. Yeah, anyway, gold-plated pins for better circuit and electric transfers. as well as a circuit inside here which stops it from blowing up as much as usual DJI, but not usual DJI, usual lithium ion batteries. So we can see the C0 label on here. Very disappointing, but still, I don't really fly over 120 meters unless it's some kind of, hey guys, today I flew over 500 meters video. So yeah, it is quite disappointed that DJI just did that, even though like I got my drone a long time ago and 6 months ago. Wait, no, more than that. Yeah, 6 months ago. And DJI has just added this horrible, horrendous, disgusting sticker that no one wants to see on their drones. Still, the DJI Mini 3 is a decent drone. Decent? £429. Okay price, yeah. And we have the DJI RC remote controller here. And we'll be back with a test flight soon. Bye.